Let's cook a delicious, tender ham hock today. You will need 1 ham hock, onions, garlic, bay leaves, pepper, allspice, caraway, salt and Pilsner beer, mustard, gherkins, horseradish, an apple and a lemon. Place a raw ham hock into a pot. Cover the ham hock in boiling water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Add half a teaspoon of allspice berries. Add 2 bay leaves. Transfer the pot to a hob and simmer the pork hock until it is tender. This might take over 2 hours. Peel a few onions. Cut the onions into chunks and place them in an oven dish. Peel a whole garlic bulb. Cut the garlic into small pieces and add them to the oven dish. You could add half a pint of Pilsner beer or any similar beer. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. Test how soft the meat is with a knife. Once the meat is very soft, take it out of the pot. Cut the pork skin to add texture. This will make the skin crispier. Place it in the oven dish. Add a little bit of the broth from the pot. We will roast the ham hock at 150 degrees Celsius for over an hour. If the pork skin is not brown and crispy after an hour, you can increase the temperature for a few minutes. Open the oven from time to time and spoon some of the liquid from the oven dish over the pork. Squeeze half a lemon into a bowl. Peel 1 apple, remove the core and grate the apple finely. Peel a piece of horseradish root. Grate the horseradish root finely. Mix all the ingredients well and keep the horseradish mixture chilled. Once the ham hock is nicely roasted, serve it together with the grated horseradish, mustard, gherkins, and some nice bread. The ham hock meat will be very tender and will taste delicious. You could serve the dish with a nice, chilled beer.